Good evening, everyone. This is FXRBS with ForexSimplified.com, and we are with the Monday class. Tonight, we will talk about trading butterfly. I'll give you first a little information, basic information about what butterflies are, how to trade them, where to find those patterns, and how to enter, where to place stops, limits. Then as the presentation goes, if you guys have any questions, I'm sorry guys, some problems with the audio. During the presentation, if you guys have any questions, please type your questions in the chat box, and I will be more than glad to answer all your questions. At the end of the presentation, we'll do a quick market analysis and see if there is any trading opportunities. Okay, let's start. I will just open a random chart and we'll start drawing on it. So I can give you an example of what a butterfly is and how we can profit of it. Butterfly first is trend reversal pattern, and this means that if price is in an uptrend, we need to know an area where we believe price will be reversing, and most of the time we find those areas on higher time frames. Let's say, and please disregard those current charts, the current candles. Just look at the drawing. Let's say we're doing analysis on a 15-minute chart, but then here at 124.40, for example, we have daily resistance, or it could be 4-hour or something from higher time frame, place where we believe price might reverse for some reason. It could be a resistance level, it could be a trend line, it could be a big pattern, maybe let's say sell Gartley on daily chart that has convergence, let's say 618 with 127 or 786 with 127. And we believe that somewhere close to this area price will be reversing. We need to look for reversal pattern in this area. And a butterfly would look something like this. And the end of the trend will give us a sell entry at the resistance area. Now we can find butterflies everywhere in the trend, all the time. All the time we'll see different reversal patterns. I want to tell you guys that if you trade those patterns, at big levels, resistance coming from higher time frame, level with big importance, those patterns will have a lot bigger probability. Now, if you find butterfly somewhere lower, it doesn't mean that butterfly will work, it doesn't mean that it won't, but it will have a lot higher probability if we find this reversal pattern in area where we actually expect price to turn around. What is specific for a butterfly? Now, first, because most of you guys are familiar with Gartley. Now, Gartley, I will draw first a Gartley so you guys can see the difference between the two patterns. We always have the main swing X, A, then we have A, B, C, D as a subswing. And the entry is at the D, and usually at this D we have convergence of two fib levels, and the two fibs are pulled between the two swings, the main swing XA and then the subswing AB. In Gartley, since it's continuation pattern, the D is formed between the X and the A, between those 2 points. Now, when the CD leg is extended and price goes above X, we have a failed Gartley. Now, we don't look for Gartleys once price goes above X. And usually, if we enter a Gartley, the stop is placed above the X, because once price passes X, the Gartley fails.